Be careful when stopping for animals on the road. Not everyone shares the same level of sympathy.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What a kid. Oi! You not see my hazards? Do you not see my hazard lights? There's turtles crossing, and you speed off like a madman. I've got you on camera, mate. I'm sure the cops will love to see it. Just slow down. Slow down. I had my hazards on. You see?
Just when this biker thought he handled the situation with one dog, the whole squad pulled up like it was planned ambush.
Why is there a lot of dogs coming?
No! No! Hey! 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 Hey!
That scared me.
No! Ah, damn it!
While riding, this biker noticed a dog wandering alone in the middle of the road. Concerned for its safety, he carefully approached to check the collar, hoping to find the phone number and reunite the pup with its owner.
Hey, excuse me, do you got a phone? A phone? Because this dog was just sitting in the road. It's got a number on it, but I got no credit.
Hello, my name's Anthony. We've got your dog. I'm coming to get it.
Okay.
Come here, you naughty puppy dog. Thank you.
He didn't move, he just literally stood there as I was coming, yeah.
So, in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Bikers who spot the turtle on the road often stop, make sure it's safe, and help it cross in the direction it was heading. It's a simple way to protect the wildlife. A deer suddenly appeared out of nowhere, leaving the rider with no time to react and causing an unavoidable crash. Animals on the road can be unpredictable, so if you spot any, slow down and stay alert to avoid sudden accidents.
God damn it. Holy. What the was that? What the? No.
Riding through rural areas requires more than just keeping your eyes on the road. Staying aware of your surroundings, especially animals that might appear suddenly, is just as important. Emus are the world's second largest bird and tend to run when startled. Like many other animals, they struggle to judge the speed of oncoming vehicles, making road encounters risky. This biker stopped his motorcycle and approached the dog calmly, trying to avoid getting bitten like in previous video.
Go tower.
There's a dead turtle. We gotta save it. Come on. Come here, turtle. Where can we put him? We'll put him down here. We gotta keep the turtle alive. We saved the turtle. Mission accomplished.
Out of all wild encounters you can have on two wheels, this one takes a crowd. A baby seal casually sunbathing on the beach. The biker couldn't believe his eyes and carefully rolled up to say hello.
Só não vai porque você não quer. Né, cara? Oi. Que bonitinha, cara. Vai pra dentro d'água. Tá tomando sol? Tá com frio? Tá coçando a asinha. Que bonitinho. Ó, pegando um solzinho friozão. Não é normal tá esse frio, né, rapaz? Ó, aproveitando o sol. Vou lá. Tchau, até mais. Bonitinho.
Bisons might look calm, but they are highly unpredictable. If they feel even slightly threatened, they won't hesitate to charge.
You got it, buddy. Keep going, buddy. I help you. I help you. I help you. I help you. Obviously, probably haven't helped you very much. I help you, buddy. Hello. Hello. I help you. I help you. Bye, buddy. Be safe, buddy.
Look, that is... While riding through the neighborhood, this biker noticed a dog sprinting down the street with its owner chasing close behind. The dog, thinking it was all part of the game, ignored him completely and kept going.
Really catch him. Oh, don't yell at him, man. Puppy! Puppy! Yeah, I think he's playing, that's why. We're gonna get him.
Another heroic video where a biker spots a dog running loose in the middle of the highway. This one wasn't easy to catch and the chase lasted several minutes. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!